Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn how to run TypeScript files from the command line. In the previous we are trying to run the files with the help of the index.js, but that's wrong. We have to run the files from the index.ts file. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So to run a TypeScript file from the command line, you have to install the npm install global ts node, right? So I have already installed this file in this package, npm install global ts node. After this we have to run the command to run the ts file with the help of ts node index.ts. Now you can see hello world and hi, which I have written down in our console.log file. Okay, you can see that hello, and this is a index.ts file, right? So if you want to run any of the javascript, sorry, TypeScript file from the command line, you have to install the global ts node. Then to run, you have to add ts node index.ts. So this will help you to work with the TypeScript, and you will check the log over here, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.